morning children, welcome to our English class. So today we will see revision worksheet as I have sent you previous also. So today is the solution of the revision worksheet we will do for unit test 5. Here you have to write your name and here standard is given already. You have to write A, B, C. Now what is written here? Make a compound word. क्या बनाना है आपको? Compound word बनाना है. Okay. So hair plus band. So when hair plus band will come together, it makes hair band. H-A-I-R hair and B-A-N-D band. Hair band. Okay. Second, snow man. So when it comes together, it makes snowman. Then butter milk. Butter plus milk is equal to butter milk. Then sun plus flower, that is sunflower. Pine plus apple, that is pineapple. Bullock plus cart, that is bullock cart. So do not depend on this many examples. Okay, these are only examples. Extra also I can ask. सिर्फ इसके ऊपर आपको डिपेंड नहीं करना है. हमने इसके पहले जो भी एग्जाम्पल्स लिए उन सारी एग्जाम्स कल की आपको क्या करना है, प्रैक्टिस करना है. ये सिर्फ मैंने 6 एग्जाम्पल्स लिए हैं. ऐसा नहीं है कि यही एग्जाम्पल आएंगे दूसरे एग्जाम्पल आएंगे, बट दिस इज ओनली फॉर द प्रैक्टिस. नाउ सी व्हाट इज द सेकेंड क्वेश्चन. द सेकेंड क्वेश्चन इज ड्रॉ 5 थिंग्स दैट यू कैन सी इन द स्काई. अब आपको ऐसे नहीं बोला हुआ है कि डे स्काई ड्रॉ करो या नाइट स्काई ड्रॉ करो, तो यू कैन ड्रॉ बोथ. व्हाट I will do here partition. This is for the day sky and this is for the night sky. Okay, मैं यहाँ पे partition कर देती हूँ and just I draw a line. So what can you see in the day? So in the day you can see sun in the sky, right? Then cloud also we can see, birds also we can see, right? These things we can see, and then rainbow also we can see so many times. Okay, this is the daytime. Then night time. What you can see night time? The night time you can see the moon, then stars, right? All these things we can see the night time. Okay, so this is about the drawing. Then question answer. Answer the following questions. Who made Sundri? Sundri को किसने बनाया था? The boy named Bobby made Sundri. In the exam also you have to write the full sentence. अगर आप बॉबी अकेला लिख दोगे तो will not do. You have to write the full sentence. The boy named Bobby made Sundri. Next question. Second question. What made Sundri really happy? सुंदरी को रियल में क्या हैप्पी करता था? तो सुंदरी felt happy when let her go away high in the sky. जब उसको हम स्काई में दूर तक जाने देते हैं, घूमने देते हैं, at that time she felt very happy. Then why did Bobby call his kite Sundri? Why did it call Sundri? So he called it Sundri because she looked beautiful, because the kite is very beautiful. So that the boy, means the Bobby, said Sundri to his kite. Did Sundri fly very high at first? क्या पहले वो बहुत दूर तक उड़ सकती थी? No. Why? She did not fly very high at the first time. Why? क्यों नहीं उड़ सकती थी? Because who has catch the tail in his mouth? So the dog was standing there. He hold its tail in his mouth, so she cannot fly so high. What does the child wish to be? Child की क्या इच्छा थी? The child wishes to be a kite. उसको क्या बनना था? Kite बनना था. Then next question. What does the child wish to do with the bridge? Bridge के साथ child को क्या करना था? The child wishes to ride upon the bridge and go wherever he got a chance to blow. ब्रिज यानी हवा का झोंका. हवा के झोंके के ऊपर बैठकर उसको ऐसी जगह पर जाना चाहता था जहाँ उसकी मन चाहे, जहाँ वो जाना चाहे वहाँ जाना चाहता था, राइट? दूर दूर तक उड़ना चाहता था. देन अनदर क्वेश्चन. What would you like to be? आपको क्या बनना पसंद है? I would like to be a bird and fly high in the sky. Right? मुझे एक bird बनना पसंद है और sky में उड़ना पसंद है. Then imagine you are a bird in the sky. Describe what you will feel when you see a kite flying near you. अगर आप कोई bird है और आप उड़ रहे हो तो अगर एक काइट आपके पास आई तो आपको क्या महसूस होगा? सो आई फील लिटिल वरीड. पहले तो मुझे थोड़ी सी क्या होगा, वरी हो जाऊंगी मैं थोड़ी सी. अबाउट कमिंग नियर टू मी. जो काइट मेरे पास आ रही है उसको देख के मैं थोड़ी सी वरी हो जाऊंगी, थोड़ी सी परेशान हो जाऊंगी. द काइट एंड विल ट्राई टू फ्लाई इन अनदर डायरेक्शन. और मैं दूसरी डायरेक्शन में जाने की कोशिश करूँगी. वाई? बिकॉज ड्यू टू द काइट, ड्यू टू द थ्रेड ऑफ द काइट, so many birds died every year. So the birds also felt very worry for the flying kite. What different things that fly in the sky? So bird, aeroplane, helicopter and kites, all these things can fly in the sky. If you had wings, where would you fly? अगर आपके पास wings है तो आप कहाँ फ्लाई करोगे? द आई विल फ्लाई टू ऑल डिफरेंट डायरेक्शन में, हर जगह पर, हर दूसरी जगह पर जाना पसंद करूँगी या फिर मैं उड़ूँगी. So this is about the question answer. This thing I will not give in the PDF, only I will give the PDF of the worksheet. आपको सिर्फ वर्कशीट पे डिपेंड नहीं रहना है, राइट? टेक्स्ट बुक में, नोटबुक में जितना भी एक्स्ट्रा वर्क कराया हुआ है, दैट वर्क ऑल्सो यू हैव टू सी फॉर योर यूनिट टेस्ट 5. नाउ हियर इज Uttarayan. Write an essay on Uttarayan. Draw a kite and color it. I have not drawn kite here. I have not color here because I don't have space. But you have to draw. Okay. Now see, Uttarayan is a festival of kites. It is celebrated on 14th January every year. You know all these things. Uttarayan is also called Makar Sankranti. People enjoy colorful kites flying on this day. People eat jalebi, chiki, undhiyu on this day. There is a competition between kite flyers. People, they try to cut one another's kite. People release paper lamp from their terrace. I like Uttarayan very much. So this is the composition of the Uttarayan. You have to draw. Take the compass box, pencil, sharpener, eraser, colors with you for coloring the kite. Okay. So this is about the worksheet of the UT 5.